If I'm hungry, I run to the grocery store. If I'm thirsty, I turn on my faucet. And if I'm exhausted and paper is due, well, I go brew a cup of coffee or walk to a local cafe. Not only having access to the basic necessities of life, but having them in excess is truly a privilege. For many others, though, these needs can be difficult to meet on a good day, much less when disaster occurs. Trying to meet the needs of a single individual is admirable, but how about nearly 7.7 billion people on this planet? That's a huge number that seems almost incomprehensible for measuring any single thing. By 2050, 10 billion is the estimated number of people that will be living on this planet, all of them having similar needs. Human health is dependent upon ecosystem health, and harming one inevitably harms the other. Today, ecosystems are thrown into chaos to try and meet the global needs in a counterproductive manner. The land and water we use to grow food is polluted. Oceanic life is swooped up, leaving the seas barren, and biodiversity is struggling against the growth of monoculture farming. As ironic as it is, nearly a third of all food is wasted, meaning that all the resources that went into producing and distributing this are also wasted. Overcoming any one of these issues might seem like an impossible task, but what if I told you that all of this and more is possible? Studying environmental policy and management at American Military University, I was able to conduct independent research on the effects of resource usage and how to best manage our natural systems. Research was conducted across spatial scales for local and global perspectives with historical, present, and future effects of major laws showcasing how management efforts impact populations ecologically, economically, and socially. To accentuate this, I chose Fish and Wildlife Management as a degree concentration, which focused on creating sustainable systems that enhance and protect biodiversity. Here, I directly analyze case studies, laws, restoration plans, and conservation plans. These precede the development of my own management plans, which describe ways to improve food distribution for disenfranchised individuals, effects on individual species such as bats, restoration plans for kelp forests, and plans that covered multiple species across entire habitats. While these may seem disparate, they all link key aspects of modern philosophy for environmental managers. That being, even plans which only view individual species should encompass entire ecosystems, which in turn impact individual stakeholders in a region. My educational journey with AMU has expanded upon this notion time and time again, with courses utilizing both ecosystem management and adaptive management to account for uncertainties that exist in the world. These uncertainties are numerous as the effects of climate change and urbanization are still being realized. The Earth has an abundance of vital resources that, if managed appropriately, can circumvent any of the major issues described so far. But to create a truly sustainable future, major policy and regulatory changes need to occur that support ecosystem integrity. As I move on from my time with AMU, I look forward to using these skills gained with the university to explore new opportunities that enable a sustainable future. Thank you.